the Hoover Low-Notes will be performing a traditional sea shanty, What Shall We Do with the Drunken Sailor? Sea shanties were songs sung out at sea by sailors who tended the ship while they're on their voyage. Since they didn't have water on the ship, they had wine. And somebody who drank too much wine was a hazard. You'll hear several options of what to do with the drunken sailor. We would be glad if you're part of our world as we do Disney's The Little Mermaid on February 21st through the 23rd.
What shall we do with the drunken sailor? What shall we do with the drunken sailor? What shall we do with the drunken sailor? Early in the morning, way up she rises, way up she rises, way up she rises. Early in the morning, put him in the longboat until he's sober. Put him in the longboat until he's sober. Put him in the longboat until he's sober. Early in the morning, way up she rises, way up she rises, way up she rises early in the morning. Pull out the plug and wet 'em all over. Pull out the plug and wet 'em all over. Pull out the plug and wet 'em all over. Early in the morning. Way up she rises, way up she rises, way up she rises early in the morning. What shall we do with the drunken sailor? What shall we do with the drunken sailor? Put him in the scuppers of the hosepipe on him. Put him in the scuppers of the hosepipe on him. Put him in the scuppers of the hosepipe on him early in the morning. Put him in the scuppers of the hosepipe on him. Put him in the scuppers of the hosepipe on him. Put him in the scuppers of the hosepipe on him early in the morning. Way up she rises, way up she rises, way up she rises early in the morning. Way up she rises, way up she rises, way up she rises early in the morning. Early in the morning, early in the morning. Shall we do with the drunken sailor? What shall we do with the drunken sailor? What shall we do with the drunken sailor? Lying the
Former Indiana University men's a cappella group Straight No Chaser first went viral on YouTube in January 2008 when their arrangement of 12 Days of Christmas was published. The Hoover Low-Notes have been performing the 12 Days of Christmas for many years, and this year is no exception. This year, we'll feature 3 of our senior members, Cole Van Adam, John Semrau, and Evie Lucky Ewing, and freshman Micah Roth.
first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me a partridge in a pear tree. On the second day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 2 turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree. On the fourth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 5 golden rings, 4 golden 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the ninth day of Christmas, my true love gave to Christmas, my true love gave to me 8 cakes of 7 cakes of 6 cakes of 5. Better not shout, you better not cry, you better not in a pear tree. No! On the 8th? No! On the 7th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 7 golden 26 on the list of 5 golden birds, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves. Here we come, the boys and here I be decked with bass and partridge in a pear tree. On the 11th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me ding dong, ding dong, ding dong. 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. On the day of Christmas, my true love gave to me.
Well, I made it out of clay, and when it's dry and ready, with great delight I'll play. Oh, Evan! Please, come on, man. It's 12 days of Christmas. Are you good? Yeah. All right, let's get it right. Let's get it go, Evan.
On the 12th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me
On the 12th day, my true love gave to me 12 drummers drumming like Olympus above the sand. 11 pipers piping, 10 lords a leaping.
Partridge in a big pear tree.
Hello, notes would now like to thank Mr. Hoover, former Hoover choir director, for assisting us in preparing for this class.
He has volunteered for us and has come in and worked with us.
Yes.